Hi, this is Andy Cole with TEC, the Elevator Consultants. Today, we're going to get to see a submersible pump, basically a pump unit assembly motor that is burned out. It's rare to get to see this. Usually if it's burned out, it's repaired pretty quickly. But this motor in particular burned out. And with this type of action, there's a lot of different things that can happen with this. What happens to the oil? When something burns inside, this was from a submersible tank, so the motor was submersed in the oil, then it burning up really affected the oil. No damage to the building or anything else, but definitely damage to the interior part of the unit. And the valve was okay, but the motor itself, the pump unit was okay, but then all the oil did have to be changed out of this system. And that's typical of a burnt motor unit. Now, is that covered in your contract? Is that not covered in your contract? If you have a full maintenance contract, it's typically covered. But there are companies that want to charge you for this. The other piece of it is you have to replace the motor with the same horsepower. Typically, you'd like the same brand and everything else, going in, whether that's Imperial or another company for the motor, but you definitely want to match the horsepower. And we have seen instances where they just look at the capacity and they look at the rise and they order the wrong motor. And then they even try to run it with the wrong motor because they just don't want to admit the mistake and then take another week or so to get another motor. This has to be handled correctly, and your service provider definitely needs to take care of this for you to make sure that your elevator runs correctly. Thank you for checking out this video. Please check out our other videos. If you'd like more information on our company for the Elevator Consultants, you can look at tecvt.com or theelevatораpp.com. Thank you.